Let's create an agent that interacts with Google Calendar and sends event details via email. First, go to Tools. Then select Workflow. For this tutorial, we'll use the following prompt. Build an agent that creates an event at 4 p.m. with the exact title, Agent Test, and searches Google Calendar for all events. Then send a formatted list of events with their time and date to my email address. Click the Send button and wait a moment while the workflow is generated. Once it's ready, you'll see a graph displaying the step-by-step process of what the agent will do. On the right-hand column, you'll find some settings for the workflow. Since this one requires Google Calendar credentials, click the Credentials drop-down and select Create. Enter a credential name. This can be anything that helps you recognize it later. Then click the Create button. You'll be redirected to a Google authorization page. Follow the steps to grant permissions for viewing and editing events across all your calendars. Once you're ready, click Continue to accept the permissions, and you'll be redirected back to Exact Agent. After everything is set up, click the Save Workflow button in the top right corner. Now, assign the workflow to an agent. Click the drop-down, select an existing agent, or create a new one. Next, go to the Status section and activate the workflow by clicking Start Agent. The workflow is now live. If you visit the agent's page, you'll see the activity log. After a short wait, the log will confirm that the workflow has been executed successfully. Now, let's check the email. We should see a new email from the agent, containing a formatted list of events along with their time and date. For extra confirmation, we can check Google Calendar to see the newly created event. If you ever need to stop the workflow, just click the 3 dots next to the Status section and select Stop Agent, and that's it. You've now automated the process of creating and retrieving Google Calendar events and receiving them neatly in your inbox.